Morning light shining bright in the kitchen, a delicious sight. Bright avocado, creamy and green, on toasted bread, a masterpiece. See, mash it up, spread it smooth, a little salt for that savory groove. Tomato slices, fresh and red, on this smashed avocado bed. Smashed avocado toast, oh so divine. Breakfast treat, that's truly fine. Creamy, crunchy, a taste sensation, bringing joy to every occasion. Sprinkle of pepper, drizzle of lime, elevating flavors in perfect rhyme. Top it off with a sunny side egg, a breakfast dish fit for a leg. Mash it up, spread it smooth, a little salt for that savory groove. Tomato slices, fresh and red, on this smashed avocado bed. Smashed avocado toast, oh so divine. A breakfast treat, that's truly fine. Creamy, crunchy, a taste sensation, bringing joy to every occasion. With every bite, a burst of delight, morning bliss in every side. So let's raise a toast to this culinary feast. The smashed avocado toast can't be beat. A delicious sight, a ripe avocado, creamy and green, on toasted bread, a masterpiece scene. Mash it up, spread it smooth, a little salt for that savory groove. Tomato slices, fresh and red, on this smashed avocado bed. Smashed avocado toast, oh so divine. A breakfast treat, that's truly fine. Creamy, crunchy, a taste sensation, bringing joy to every occasion. A sprinkle of pepper, a drizzle of lime, elevating flavors in perfect rhyme. Top it off with a sunny side egg, a breakfast dish fit for a leg. Mash it up, spread it smooth, a little salt for that savory groove. Tomato slices, fresh and red, on this smashed avocado bed. Smashed avocado toast, oh so divine. A breakfast treat, that's truly fine. Creamy, crunchy, a taste sensation, bringing joy to every occasion. A sprinkle of pepper, a drizzle of lime, elevating flavors in perfect rhyme. Top it off with a sunny side egg, a breakfast dish fit for a leg. Mash it up, spread it smooth, a little salt for that savory groove. Tomato slices, fresh and red, on this smashed avocado bed. Morning light shining bright in the kitchen, a delicious sight. A ripe avocado, creamy and green, on toasted bread, a masterpiece scene. Mash it up, spread it smooth, little salt for that savory groove. Tomato slices, fresh and red, on this smashed avocado bed. Smashed avocado toast, oh so divine. A breakfast treat, that's truly fine. Creamy, crunchy, taste sensation, bringing joy to every occasion. A sprinkle of pepper, a drizzle of lime, elevating flavors in perfect rhyme. Top it off with a sunny side egg, a breakfast dish fit for a leg. delicious sight. A ripe avocado, creamy and green, on toasted bread, a masterpiece scene. Mash it up, spread it smooth. Little salt for that savor brew. Tomato slices, fresh and red, on this smashed avocado bed. Smashed avocado toast, oh so divine. A breakfast treat that's truly fine.